There's a powerful tool you might not even know exists. It's called Termux, a versatile open-source application that can morph your smartphone into a compact computer. With its accessibility, you can carry immense computing power right in your pocket. The magic here is that Termux allows you to run a full Linux environment. And the best part, you don't even need root access. So what makes Termux stand out from the crowd? Let's delve deeper. You might be wondering, how does Termux stack up against similar tools? Well, let's delve into that. There are quite a few alternatives out there, such as PyDroid 3, Termux, and ConnectBot, each with its own strengths and use cases. However, Termux shines bright, outperforming in certain key areas. Consider PyDroid 3, a Python 3 IDE for Android. It's a great tool, especially for Python enthusiasts. But Termux isn't language specific. It supports an array of languages, from Python to Ruby, from C to Perl, and beyond. This extensive language support makes Termux a versatile coding companion, accommodating for a variety of programming needs. Then there's Termux, a popular SSH client. Termux is fantastic for managing remote systems, but it's not as flexible when it comes to local tasks. In contrast, Termux is a full-fledged terminal emulator and Linux environment. This means it's not only great for managing remote systems, but also for running local scripts, automating tasks, and even installing and running servers right on your device. Let's also look at ConnectBot, another well-known SSH client. While ConnectBot excels in secure shell connections, it lacks the extensive package collection that Termux boasts. Termux has a vast repository of packages, allowing you to install and use a wide range of tools and utilities, from text editors to compilers, from network tools to games. In addition to this, Termux stands out with its customizability. You can tweak its appearance, automate tasks with scripts, and even extend its functionality with plugins. It's not just a tool, it's a playground for your creativity. Lastly, Termux supports keyboard shortcuts. This might seem trivial, but it's a game changer for productivity. Whether you're navigating files, managing processes, or coding, keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow. As you can see, Termux offers a unique set of advantages that make it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. Now that you know the power of Termux, you might be eager to try it out. So let's take the first step. You can easily install Termux from the Google Play Store or the F-Droid repository. Once installed, open the Termux application. You'll be greeted with a command line interface, a sight familiar to Linux users. Now you're probably wondering, what's next? Let's get our hands dirty with some commands. You can start by typing pkg update and hitting enter. This command updates the list of available packages, ensuring you have the latest and greatest at your disposal. After updating, try installing a package. Let's say you want to install Python. Simply type pg install python and hit enter. Voila, you now have Python installed on your device, right through Termux. But don't stop here. There's a whole universe of commands waiting for you to explore. Want to learn more? The Termux Wiki is an excellent starting point. It's packed with information and tutorials to guide you on your Termux journey. If you're more of a community person, head over to the Termux subreddit. It's a hub of knowledge shared by like-minded individuals, all exploring the power of Termux together. Don't be shy to ask questions or share your own discoveries. With Termux, the power of Linux is literally at your fingertips. Termux is not just a tool, it's a gateway to a world of possibilities. This mighty app can turn your smartphone into a versatile powerhouse. Imagine running servers right from your pocket or automating everyday tasks with a few lines of code. It's not science fiction, it's Termux. And it's not just for the tech-savvy among us. Even if you're just dipping your toes into the world of programming, Termux is your perfect starting point. It's a sandbox where you can play, learn, and grow, all within the familiar environment of your phone. But the magic of Termux doesn't stop there. It's a platform ripe for innovation, limited only by the bounds of your imagination. We invite you to push those boundaries, to explore, to create. Share your unique uses of Termux, your triumphs, and your discoveries. Termux is a powerful tool, and with it, you can unlock the full potential of your smartphone. The future is now, and it's in your pocket.